Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add products to your Bigcartel store. Now, if you didn't know what Bigcartel is, it's an e-commerce platform that makes it easy for creative entrepreneurs to sell their products online. It's a good option for small businesses that want a simple, affordable way to set up an online store. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how we can add products to our store right now. So to start with, you first want to be on the Bigcartel website, and if you don't have an account already, go ahead and sign up. Or if you do have an account, just go ahead and log in. And once you're logged in and headed over to the dashboard, you'll be taken to this page here. And at the top, as you can see, there's a few different options. However, we want to select products. Now that we're on this product page, we can actually add our product to our store. So you want to select here, add a product. And here's where we want to start filling out a bit of details about what a product actually is. So to start with, I'm just going to add an image of the product. So you want to click this plus button here where it says add an image. So I've chosen an image of this dog toy. So obviously the image and the product name, description, etc. are going to depend on what you are actually adding. So don't copy exactly what I'm doing in this video. You want to customize it so it matches your product. So for product name, you just want to do a good title for it. So since this is an octopus dog toy, that's what I'm going to type in. So next up is a description. Here's where you want to add a bit of detail about what the product is and what it can be used for. So if your writing skills are very good, you can write this out yourself. Or if writing isn't a strong point, you can actually use AI. So I'm just going to use Google Bard to write a description for this. So what I'd say is create a professional small description for a octopus dog toy. Include important details that could be attractive to a customer. Now hopefully this gives us a good little description that we can add into our store. And as you can see, it's made a small description and this right here is perfect. So I'm just going to copy that and we can head back into our store and type and paste this description. Now you do obviously want to read through this and make sure everything it says is factually true. And then once you've done that, we can move on to categories. So if you're just doing one product a store, this won't matter too much. However, let's just say I was selling a whole range of animal toys. I could click this plus. I could click this plus and select manage categories. And I can add a new one and do dog toys. And then if I had another one, I could do cat toys, for example. And then we can just save these and add as many as we like. Now I've created a couple categories there, but since it's only a dog toy, we want to only tick dog toy. And then we can select done. Now next up is the status. So here's where you can choose the status of the product. So if it is actually available to buy, you can say active. If you want it hidden from your site, you can choose hidden. Sold out if it's no longer in stock. And coming soon if you're soon to stock it. So choose whichever one suits you best. And here's where we move on to the price. So this price will obviously depend on what you're selling. So I'm just going to put £10 for this one. And after you've filled in the price, you can also click this on sale button if it is currently on sale. Now next up we have variants. So what this actually means is if we had different kinds. So as you can see, this one is brown. However, we could have a whole range of colours. So here we can add in different variants. So blue, orange, for example. And we can add all these different colours in depending what it actually is we're selling. Obviously it could be sizes, different colours. This will truly depend on what you are selling. And here you can also change the price too. So if some of your variants are bigger sizes, for example, you may want to increase the price on that. And then last but not least, we have shipping. So once we click plus, it opens up this. And here we can actually choose the country. So if we just want worldwide shipping, all the same price for everyone, we can choose this and we can price it how we like. Now, as you can see, there's one section that says alone and one that means with others. And if you don't know what it means, it explains it here. So it says our system will automatically take the highest shipping alone price in each order and then apply the with others price for each additional item in the order. So customize this how you like. And what you can also do with this is add multiple. So let's just say, because I'm from UK, I might do free shipping in UK since it's not going to cost too much to ship. However, if I was to choose United States, wherever that is here, I might want to charge more for that since shipping will be more expensive. So you just want to customize all these things to match your needs. And then once you're happy with everything, you just want to click save Remove this one, and then we just click save, and the product will be added to your store. We can go back to products now, and we should be able to see it here. As you can see, octopus dog toy. So that is exactly how you add products to your Bigcartel store. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.